Hi, I'm Oath. I live in the United States. It was 5 minutes badly snowstormed, which reminding me to the day we drove from North Dakota back here. It was very heavy snow and strong wind. I look at the backyard and then I look at the front door. It's so thick snow. I don't know what to call. It's kind of, you see here, we can see the wind blow snow very strong, which I thought about. It might be last longer than 5 minutes and starting to scare. And then I thought about calling my husband if he gonna come back home. And just 5 minutes, as I said, the storms stopped. Then, after storm stopped, the sky was bright. Oh my gosh, this is what the first time since I live in the United States it's happened like this. Okay, just the moment I would like to share you guys who doesn't see the situation like me before. I was a little scared. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.